Everybody, today we're going to build this pizza thing.
I'm gonna help them. Alright, let's
Don't
do
my
it.
foot. No. Don't do my.
Thank you, helper. Let's see what we need with this pizza. Wow.
I know.
Pizza now. Pizza. I think it won't take long. I feel like it's gonna be almost together. This is all we have.
Not really that much to do.
I think everything is just snap. I noticed all the toys now are just snap in. That has no screws. Only thing is, snap it in wrong, it's gonna be a lot of problems. Ooh, look. Money. It's called LeapFrog pizza dough.
I know they have.
And get it? It's dough, like money dough. Some stickers. Let's see what else we got. Violet is already going. This is like all the other stuff that LeapFrog has. Getting started. Looks like it's quick steps. Violet knows what she wants. She's going straight for the pizza.
Hi, teacher.
Go for this book.
Hi, teachers.
Alright, looks like we're gonna need batteries. We're gonna need 3
Hi, teachers.
AA batteries. Hey hon, can I get 3 AA batteries?
I find pizzas.
Yeah.
I find pizzas.
Can I see where? Whoop. I'll put that. Oh, right at the bottom. So right at the bottom, we need 3 AA batteries.
You know. You want pizza? Baba, I'm gonna need pizza.
Oh, there's actually 3 AAA batteries.
I know.
This is AA batteries, but there's actually 3 AAA batteries, so made no sense. How it doesn't match. Alright, no.
What?
So, no batteries needed. We're gonna do the quick steps. You ready to do quick steps? Alright. Red. Violet was right. What is this? Is this snap in?
I can put it in.
Go ahead. The center. Got one side? Push it down. Come on. Got it. Snap in.
And this is the shop.
Okay, what else do we need to snap in?
This. I like snapping in things.
This one too? You wanna push it here, Vivian?
Yeah.
Go ahead, push it out on my hand. Hard. Sit. There's another snap in. But where's the sign?
I don't know.
This thing right here.
It's
Will
not
go.
unbeknownst.
Hey.
This pizza is not.
Number 2. Looks like this. Almost there, but
I'm still working on number 2.
yes, we.
Oh, I found some pieces. Find some pieces. Find some more pieces.
Oh, you got some more pieces.
Yeah,
Here, let's stand right here. Well, let's stand right here so that we don't give our number. Well, it looks like, well, here's your ingredients. Here's some coins. Where do these go? 1, 2, 3. Where are those stickers, by the way? So it says 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, right here.
open this?
Hold on a second. Oh, it says 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're just gonna put it where the numbers are. There's 1.
But this is not hard.
It was really easy.
Yeah.
You.
This is the hard lot of pieces, right?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. And that's hard. Just like that. Right?
Yeah. Where does the dollar sign go? Up, it goes right down here, it looks like. And that's all, folks. But can you try to show everybody what it looks like?
Can you open this? Does it come with ingredients? Yellow.
Where?
Can I open this? Yeah. Does it actually come with ingredients?
Just rotate.
How does it come with the ingredients?
Now they just. Oh, here, wait. Let's see what was.
Pizza. It doesn't come with
I don't think it does. I think this right here, what it does is it sits like that on here.
I don't think that's it.
But I think it's right. Yeah, this side. Alright, so we put it like this. Where's the other stuff? Where's those other pieces with it? Oh, right there. So what do you want to put?
1, 2, 3, 4,
So you put.
5.
You ready? You're tired.
So this.
Okay, let's put it there.
Alright, guys. Bye. Let's turn around and say bye. Vivian, hold on. Come here, say bye.
Bye.
Say bye, everybody.